Hello, my name is Diana Maria Alvarez. I am 40 years old. I am from Argelia. It's a town of the Valle del Cauca. I live in Cali and I work in a technology company in Cali too. I study technology pharmacy regency at the UNAD. My vacation this year were simply fantastic. On October 28th, Luisa Fernanda and I traveled to San Andres. While there, we met all my family. We visited different places. They were all beautiful, uh, full of color, music. The sea is therapeutic and relaxing. It was the best trip ever. It was great. In At the next month, I am going to Pereira because we like to celebrate the holidays together for the end of the year. Thank you very much.